beauty in broken things. There's a crack running through the kitchen floor, like a river